Well, hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another fabulous week of cocktails by your cocktail mixologist, PJ. This week, I'm calling it Hurricane Week. No, it's not officially Hurricane Week, but that's what I'm going to be calling it. I'm going to be making 7 fabulous cocktails in hurricane glasses, including the original, the Hurricane, that was created somewhere in New York, but made famous down in New Orleans at a bar called O'Brien's. Pat O'Brien's. I'm going to make this drink the way it was done originally, which is 4 ingredients: white rum, dark rum, passion fruit, and lemon juice. I believe the newer version of that drink has grenadine, simple syrup, and maybe a couple other things. Also, before I get started, I want to thank Alycia Mulari. She made my logo on all these hurricane glasses, and we'll be using those throughout the week. Also, various shirts. This one was a gift from my good friend James Hooker up in Seattle. So thank you, Jim, if you're watching. All right, let's get started with this drink. Just 4 ingredients: white rum, dark rum, passion fruit, and lemon juice. Let's get started, shall we? I think we shall. First thing we're going to do is we're going to put some ice in my hurricane glass. I'll be using crushed ice for these drinks. We don't want to fill it up yet. We'll top that off at the end. Put this aside. Bring up my jigger from. That's right, dude. All right, get cocktail glass or my shaker in here. First thing, 1.5 ounces of white rum. We'll be using Captain Morgan's white rum for this. 1.5 ounces. Now, if you guys are wondering how come I don't have any flair, it's because I don't have any flair. This is the flairiest thing I do. There we go. All right. 1.5 ounces of dark rum. We're using Gosling's. Alrighty. Get that on there nice and tight. We'll be using 1 ounce of passion fruit. 1 ounce, flip that puppy over. And 1 ounce of that. And next, 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lemon. Let's see how much we get out of this guy. It should be easily 1 ounce, possibly more. Come on, baby. Yeah, there we go. There's a good ounce. Good ounce indeed. All right, we'll shake this up for a good 10 to 15 seconds. Those of you who got your clocks out, you can start that right now. All right, I think that's pretty close. That's pretty close indeed. All right. No reason to double strain this. We're going to pour this right into the glass. Oh man, that looks and smells so good. Put that right there. All right, we did say we were going to top off with some ice. That's what we're going to do. Garnish out with a little orange and cherry. Not making too much of a mess. And you're going to need a straw, ladies and gentlemen. have it, ladies and gentlemen. The Hurricane. Cheers, everybody. God, this looks good. Ooh, baby. Man, that is tasty. And one of these things are the most popular drink down in New Orleans. This is really, really good. And once again, oh, that's good. This is the original. 4 ingredients: white rum, dark rum, passion fruit, and a lemon juice. But if you're down in New Orleans, I do believe they add grenadine, simple syrup, and who knows what else. But, as always, ladies and gentlemen, please, if you haven't already, that's right, thumbs up. Leave a comment. I'll write back to every one of you. Hit that subscribe button. As you know, I've rebranded to PJ's Cocktails and Entertainment. So we're doing a little bit of everything. And with that, all I can say now is have a great day and please drink responsibly. Cheers, everybody.